Hi my friends, welcome to Maverick channel. Today we have the Skydio 2 and we will be doing a quick range test here at the lake. It is a very lovely day, not too much wind. So let's try and gain altitude here. Oh, it says that it has poor GPS signal, so I should fly around a little bit. Oh yes, of course, I definitely want to do that. I don't want the drone to take off for parts unknown as soon as it loses its signal. So this test will basically be to see at what distance it will lose its first signal. So or at what distance will it first lose its signal rather. So right now we are flying at 382 feet. So let's get going. What a wonderful view, looking very beautiful. And as you can see at the top left corner, the drone is automatically or autonomously changing its altitude. We are now at 500 feet, 1,000 feet away, 2,000 away, flying at about 22 miles an hour, and 2,500 feet. Initial loss of contact or initial connection loss just over 3,000 feet. What a discouraging performance it is. Oh yeah, so there it is, guys. 3,120 something thereabout. So right now the drone is attempting to return and hopefully it gets back home. Connection lost again, but it says that the connection has been regained and that it is returning home, so that I am happy. All right my friends, there it is. Please leave a thumbs up, comment below, give me your impression about the performance, and I will see you all on my next video. I have a lot of upcoming videos, so please stay tuned. Click the subscribe button. Thank you very much and have a good one.